Shakas! Aloha, crafty friends. Welcome back. It's Maka from Makaz Home. I appreciate you stopping by and welcome to all my new subbies. I'm so glad that you've joined us here on our Hana. I have just a little share before I get this out in the mail. I was involved in a group swap hosted by Tamika over at Scrap the World, and I'll put her information in the link below. But it was a loaded love swap, and you needed to make something loaded with one 3x3 note card and envelope, a tag with a hanging element, an artist trading card, and 2 handmade embellishments and some goodies. And it had to be loaded, like I said. And so we were in groups of 5. And so I'm sharing what I've included for my partners. And so here it is. I just made like this loaded envelope. And I used the paper pack from Michael's Hot Buy. And it's Love and Devotion. This one here. I've seen a lot of people using these for their projects as well. So I just used my envelope Memories Keeper punch board. Is that what it's called? This thing? Yes, punch board. To make the envelope. And the envelope is a 6x7. And I just added this rosette with some of the cut aparts from the paper pack. And so inside I added this gold bag of goodies for my swap partners. This is my tag that I added, and I'm sorry if there's a glare, but I did put some sequence mix too. Focus. And I just added a little huff dots to add some space so that the mix could fit in there. And then I just put to and from, and here's my hanging element. And then I also made, these are my 2 handmade embellishments. I backed them on rosettes that I used my die cuts to cut out the heart shape. It's a stitched heart shape. And then I also have this heart die cut I got from AliExpress, as well as the swan. This Best Day Ever stickers are from, I don't remember, but it's this sheet. I think everybody uses it, so everybody knows. And then I have this vellum swan with the gold, and I just added this paper bow. I was gifted this bow by Diane from, I'm gonna mess it up, by Diane. I'm gonna put your link link to your channel below. And hey Diane, thanks girl, hope you're doing well. So that's my 2 handmade embellishments. And then on the back side I added my 3x3 card and then my ATC card. And she just wanted you to include some information on your ATC card. So this is that. And then I just have a bag. My idea was to put it in this bag at first, but it didn't fit. So I'm just gonna include that. And it's just like a craft paper bag. And then just a little card. So that's my swap entry. And if you've hung around this far, I do have an extra set that I did make. And so go ahead and leave a comment below, and that'll get you entered into this. I'll ship out the winner to the winner. And it's the same things. I think the bag too. Yep, there's a bag in here as well. So go ahead and leave a comment and let me know who your favorite Disney character is. Any Disney character. Who your favorite Disney character is. And that'll enter you into winning this extra swap that I have. And I'll be drawing the winner on Friday night. Today is Tuesday. I'm uploading this tonight probably. And then Tuesday, February 12th. Happy birthday, Dad! And then I will be uploading the winner on Friday. Friday, February 15th. Friday the 15th. Yes. Friday, February the 15th, 2019. I'll be uploading the winner then. So all entries in before 5 p.m. Friday the 15th of February, 5 p.m. Arizona time. And they'll be entered into the drawing. Okay, so go ahead and leave your comment below who your favorite Disney character is. And good luck. Thanks for sticking around, and shakas.